Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining what it means to declare a method as static. So I'm going to create a method over here and I'm going to just make it print out a simple message. And I'm just going to have a normal system.println and just say hello from book class. Okay, so this is a method. Now if I were to call this method, I would actually need to use I need to use the reference. So I cannot just call it like this because it is a method, and if you've watched my previous video we explained the difference between a function and a method. So I actually need to have a reference to the object so that I can call this method. Now if I run the program and if I write book1 and I'm getting the message hello from book class. So what happens if I made this a static method? Notice that when I save it there's no problem here, but now I'm getting a problem here. So Eclipse is giving me this message saying the static method hello message from the book class should be accessed in a static way. So what does it mean that this should be accessed in a static way? So what happened here, the fact that I've declared this static, it means this becomes a class method. This method is the same for all objects created from this book class. Therefore, this method now belongs to this class. So the way we call it, it kind of changes now. We have to call it through the class name. So because it belongs to the book class, when I need to call it in a static way, I now need to give the class name instead of the object, because this method is now associated with a class, not the object. It means that this method will do the same thing for all objects of the class, therefore it belongs to the class itself. Okay, so this pretty much is it. So let's just see what happens. So now I get the same details. I've just changed the way my method works. It now is a class method. Now in the next video I'm going to explain how we can make use of static methods in our class. So I'll see.